The Retrain Your Pelvic Pain workshop series is a 6-session series. It runs an hour and a half each week, and it's focused on a variety of different topics. One, ultimately, is retraining the brain. We need to heal the brain in order to heal from pain. And so the series is set up where we go into the neurobiology of chronic pain and trauma and stress and how that changes the brain, how that changes the nervous system, and that helps lead into why I'm going to go through all these other exercises and teach them a few different exercises each week that will help heal their brain and help heal the hardware of the brain in order to update the software. So that's become my new tagline of we need to heal the hardware if we want to update the software. And so we start off with learning about the biology of the brain and the nervous system and how that's connected to pelvic pain specifically. Pelvic pain is very complex in how it involves neuromuscular systems as well as the main organ systems. And one of the main organ systems, being the GI system, is the second brain. And so I go into how the gut and the brain are connected and why we have to actually heal the gut in order to heal the brain, in order to heal their pelvic pain. Pelvic pain is also very different because it's a very sensitive and often private part of the body. We don't talk about the genitals, we don't talk about sexual health very often in this culture. And so when people have pain in that area, they feel ashamed about it, or they feel secretive, or they're very protective over talking about that part of the body. So there's not a lot of places where they're able to talk about it. You do not have to be a patient at PRM to be able to attend the workshop series. In fact, I would love to open it up to everybody because a lot of the brain exercises that I teach are not only helpful for pelvic pain, but certainly helpful for chronic pain in general. But I do speak specifically to pelvic and sexual pain disorders during the workshop. After someone has completed the Retrain Your Pelvic Pain course, they may want to take it again if they want a refresher, but ultimately they may want a one-on-one session to really help learn how to integrate it into their individual personal lives. And if they're in a partnership, they might want to join the couples workshop to really learn how to apply what they've learned in the Retrain Your Pelvic Pain workshop to their relationship.